Children, I am taking some sums of exercise 14b. The question number 1. Third part I am going to take, and we have to reduce the given fraction to their lowest term. So I am taking question number 1, third part, that is 18 upon 81, and we have to convert into lowest term. So for converting lowest terms, what we have to do? We have to find the HCF of the numerator part and the denominator part. That means we have to find the HCF of 18 and 81, that is 9, and we have to divide the both numerator and the denominator part with the HCF. So 18 divided by 9 and 81 divided by 9, we get the 2 upon 9. So 2 upon 9 is the lowest term of the fraction 18 upon 81. So in that manner you can do the other parts. I am taking one more part, that is 105 upon 70. So same thing we have to do. So 105 and 70 we have to find the HCF, that is 35. Divide the both numerator and denominator part by 35, we get 3 upon 2. So 3 upon 2 is the lowest term of fraction 105 upon 70. Children, now I am taking question number 2, in which we have to find out whether the statement is true or false. So what is given? 35 upon 42 equal to 5 upon 6, and we have to find that is true or false. So for finding out the that is true and false, we will multiply. The cross multiplication we will do. That means 6 we will multiply to the 35, and 42 we will multiply to the 5. Whenever we multiply, we will get both sides the 210 and the right side also the 210. So both sides are equal. That means the statement 35 upon 42 equal to 5 upon 6 is true. Similarly, you can do the other part of the question number 2. Now I am taking question number 3, second part, in which we have to find which fraction is greater. Here we have two fractions, 5 upon 9 and 3 upon 4. For finding out which fraction is greater, we have to convert both the fraction into the like fraction. For converting like fraction, we have to take the LCM of the denominator part, that is LCM of 9 and 4 is 36. So convert the denominator part into the LCM, that is 36. So first we are going to take 5 upon 9. For converting 9 as a 36, we have to multiply 4 into the 9, and the same number we will multiply in the numerator, that is 5. So 4 into 5, that is 20, and 4 into 9, that is 36. Similarly, we will do for the second fraction, 3 upon 4. 4 we have to convert into 36. For converting 36, we have to multiply 9 in the 4, and the same number we will multiply in the numerator too, that is 3. So 9 into 3 gives 27, and 9 into 4 gives 36. So both fraction we have converted into the like fraction, that is 20 upon 36 and 27 upon 36. We can see the numerator part of the second fraction is greater than the numerator part of the first fraction, that is 20 upon 36. So 27 upon 36 is greater than the 20 upon 36. That means 3 upon 4 is greater than 5 upon 9. So your answer is 3 upon 4. So in that manner you can do the other part of the question number 3. Now I am taking question number 4 of the same exercise, first part, in which we have to find which fraction is smaller, 3 upon 8 or 4 upon 5. For finding out which fraction is smaller, we have to take the LCM of the denominator part. Same we will do as we did in a question number 3 for finding out which fraction is greater. So finding out the LCM of 8 and 5, whenever we find out that we got the 40 is the LCM of the 8 and 5. So we have to convert both the fraction into like fraction with the denominator 40. For making 40 as a denominator in the 3 upon 8, we have to multiply 5 into 8, and the same number we will multiply in the numerator part, that is 3. So 3 into 5 we will get the 15, and 8 into 5 we get the 40. So 15 upon 40 we will get the first fraction. Now we have to convert the second fraction with denominator 40. For converting denominator as a 40, we have to multiply 8 into the denominator, that means we have to multiply 8 into 5, and the same number we will multiply in the numerator part too. So 8 into 4, that is 32, and 8 into 5, that is 40. So now both the fraction we have converted into the like fraction, and we can see 15, the numerator part of the first fraction, is lesser than the numerator part of the second fraction, that is 32. So 15 upon 40 is a smaller fraction, that is 3 upon 8 is a smaller fraction. So in that manner you can do other part of the question number 4. I am taking question number 5, in which we have to arrange the given fraction in descending order of magnitude. For arranging the given fraction in descending order of magnitude, we have to change the fraction into the like fraction. For changing the fraction into the like fraction, we have to take the LCM of the denominator. So LCM of the denominator 16, 24 and 8 is 48. Now we will change the denominator of all fraction as a 48. So first we are taking 5 upon 16. For changing 16 as a 48, we have to multiply 3 into 16. The same number we will multiply into the numerator part 2. So 5 into 3 and 16 into 3 will give 15 upon 48. Now we will convert 13 upon 24 and 24 we will convert into the 48. So for converting 24 into the 48, we have to multiply 2. The same number we will multiply in the numerator part 2. So that is 13. 13 into 2 and 24 into 2 will give the 26 upon 48. Now we have got the 48 as a denominator of the second fraction. Now we will change the 7 upon 8 with the denominator 48. For changing 8 into 48, we have to multiply 6 to 8 and the same number we will multiply to the 7. So 7 into 6 give the 42 and 8 into 6 give the 48. So third fraction we have changed into the with the denominator 48. So now we got the fraction as a like fraction, that is 15 upon 48, 26 upon 48 and 42 upon 48. As we can see, 42 is the greatest numerator, so that is the greatest fraction, and 15 is the smallest numerator, that is the smallest fraction. So write in the descending order of the magnitude 42 upon 48, 26 upon 48 and 15 upon 48. 42 upon 48 we derive from 7 upon 8. So 7 upon 8 is the first fraction, 13 upon 24 is the second fraction and the 5 upon 16 is the third fraction. So in that manner we can write the fraction into the descending order of the magnitude. Other part you can do with the help of this first part of this question number 5. Question number 6, in which we have to arrange the fraction in ascending order of magnitude. For making the fraction in ascending order of magnitude, we have to make the fraction into the like fraction. Same method we will use as we use in our question number 5. LCM of 16, 12 and 4 is 48, and we have to convert all the fraction with the denominator 48. First we are taking 9 upon 16. 16 whenever multiplied to 3 we get the 48. So same number we will multiply in the numerator. So 9 into 3 and 16 into 3 will give the fraction 27 upon 48. Same method we will use for 7 upon 12 and we get the 28 upon 48. And same method for 1 upon 4, whenever 4 is multiplied by 12 give the 48 and that 12 will multiply in the numerator part will give the 12. So 12 upon 48, 28 upon 48 and 27 upon 48 we get the fraction in the like fraction. And which is the smallest? As the numerator of the third fraction is smallest, that is 12, and the numerator of the second fraction is 28, that is the greatest. So we will arrange the fraction into the ascending order of the magnitude, that are 12 upon 48, 27 upon 48 and 28 upon 48. And 12 upon 48 we derive from 1 upon 4, so we will write 1 upon 4 first fraction, and 27 upon 48 we get from 9 upon 16, so 9 upon second is the second fraction, and 28 upon 48 we get from 7 upon 12, so 7 upon 12 is a third fraction. So 1 upon 4, 9 upon 16, 7 upon 12 are arranged in the ascending order of magnitude. With the help of this question, you can do the other part of the question number 6. Taking question number 7, I bought 1 dozen bananas and ate 5 of them. What fraction of the total number of bananas was left? So first, number of bananas bought equal to 1 dozen equal to 12. Number of bananas eaten by me, that is 5. Number of bananas left equal to 12 minus 5 equal to 7. So required fraction equal to 7 upon 12. So in that manner you will do the question number 7. Taking question number 9, in which out of 15 identical articles, 36 are broken. Find the fraction of first the total number of article and the article broken. the remaining article and the total number of articles. First, just write whatever given. Total number of articles are 50. Number of articles broken equal to 36. Remaining articles equal to 50 minus 36, that is 14. So first required fraction is the total number of articles and the article broken, that is 50 upon 36 or 25 upon 18. Required fraction second, that is remaining articles and the total number of article, that is 14 upon 50 or 7 upon 25. So in that manner you can do the question number 9.